Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this seed cleaner, which is professionally made by a professional carpenter. It is a basic concept of cleaning the seed by placing all the seeds over here which the birds have already eaten, and there is a debris, there is a waste material, and it will be going like this, and when it is falling over here, the fan is going to throw the air, and all the debris and the waste is going to fly over here and then fall over here. So all the things which are less heavy are going over here in this bucket, and all the heavy part is going over here. So we were checking with the paper setup, like paper waste, but it is not quite that successful experiment because we don't have real feed for the birds right now. So this is a concept which is a very basic concept and is used for very big aviaries or big setup for the birds, finches or parrots, something like that. So it is have a very basic and unique and all for all the seeds. Like this is the voltage regulator powered by 12 volt, and when we connect it, it will turn on like this. It is getting the minimum voltage right now, like 7 volt, and now we are increasing it to the maximum up to 12 volt, and is a 1 volt big size CPU fan. So this is the basic one CPU fan, one regulator, 12 volt DC supply. So you can make it by your own self because if you want it, otherwise if you have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 birds, so you can do it manually. But if you have like 50 or 100 or 200, then you can use this kind of setup. Just place the seeds over here, all the seeds are going to clean by itself, and you get the seeds cleaned. So this is a very good quality wood. You can use any material, it doesn't matter, and you don't really have to use this acrylic sheet or glass. You can also cover it, but if you want to see the process, you can do it, but it is not recommended to use this. Also, if you don't find any kind of regulator, voltage regulator like this, you can place a hard cardboard over the fan, so it will use less air, so it will throw less air over here, and that's how you can lower and higher the power of the fan by itself. So I already have shown in my previous video which I have made already. You can search Umair's Workshop seed cleaner and you can see the seed cleaner, and you can make your own by yourself. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.